Ahoy there, me hearties, and welcome to our maths lesson today. So I thought I'd dress up as a pirate. Well, partly pirate hat. We're sticking with multiplication and division facts. Yesterday you did so well in division using that fraction link to help you, which is really, really good. Today we are looking at multiplication and division facts of the 8 times table. So yesterday we were looking at a lot at quarters and halves, so that was our 4s and our 2 times table. But today we're jumping on a bit and we're looking at our 8s. Now, our 8 times table, nothing to worry about at all. Some of you are thinking, but I don't know my 8s yet. That's why we're going to do it today and really start practicing those 8 times table facts and start recalling them. Something that you can remember in our 8 times table, if you know your 2s and you've done some work in our 4s, well, 8 is double and a double. So there's nothing to worry about at all. Also in your 8 times table, the answers are all even numbers. If you start looking for patterns, they're all even numbers. Anyway, as a pirate, all the activities I've got for you are pirate themed. Well, all of the ones that I've created anyway. So on Showbie, you'll see that I've downloaded or I've created this Ahoy there, me hearties, where you've got some pirates here. And they have got some treasure chests. And underneath the treasure chests, you've got to work out what the answers would be to their sums. So you've just got simple division sums. So how 16 divided by 8, how many 8s in 16, etc. You're putting the answers in the box. Then down here, we've got a mixture of sums. 8 times 8. I ate and I ate till I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is, hopefully some of you are saying 64. So that's some different 8 sums here. Then my friend Polly Parrot wanted to come and say hi. So here you've got lots of different parrots, and here you're going to be practicing finding the multiples of 8. So any number that might appear in the 8 times table. Now remember, all of the sums, all the answers in the 8 times table are even numbers. See if you can spot a pattern. You might want to write them across the top. See if you can help yourself out. Finally, at the bottom, there's little quiz questions for you down here. So we've got one chest contains 8 gold coins. So 3 chests would contain 3 lots of 8. Okay, and it keeps going. You might have to find out some statement, which ones are true, which ones aren't, etc. Some of you have done these before. If you think about the dogs, we did the dog's bones ones and the dog's paws. We did that with the balls. So they're your pirate themes. The third sheet of this, so on Showbie, there's 3 sheets actually. So there's Ahoy, my hearties, and then the Polly Parrot. But on the third sheet, I've actually put on a multiplication square for you. So that just will help if you need help with the 8s. Okay, so you just look along with the 8 here. You can see all the numbers that are in the 8 times table. Okay, so if you're someone that's not confident yet on your 8 times table, after today, you'll be there. The last challenge for you today is in your doorstep pack, the one that looks like this. You've already zoomed through this one, the fraction of quarters. You did this one, and you've done the fruit stall one. The next page is on the the A3 page like this, opened out like that. And it's really just looking exactly the same thing, but you're just applying your knowledge now. So I probably should take the hat off because it's moving on to spiders. I don't really like spiders though, so I'll keep the hat on. You're looking at the 8 times table. So just work your way through that. Now, if you found that actually the pirate work was just enough for you today, stick with that. That's absolutely fine. If you whiz through this because you're someone that knows your 8s really well, then that's something else to go on as well. Please upload it to Showbie as ever. Scan it or photograph it in so I can see. But just get going with your 8s. Pieces of 8. Aha! See you soon. Bye.